This video contains a lot of strong profanity. It is not suitable for children or anybody who gets offended by swearing and strong profanity. Alright, YouTube, David Harry here, your favourite YouTuber and vlogger. Right, if I look like shit right now, just ignore it. What it is, I've literally just woken up, right? And waking up for me at the moment means getting up at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon because I've been like working through the night massively recently. Now what it is, I'm gonna do like a little flood of videos I think over the next few days on this channel. Basically what they are like channel updates, but rather than do one massive long super boring video with like no one will watch, I'm just trying to keep them shorter and concentrate on particular things such as what I'm doing at the moment between my main channel and this channel and stuff like that, and a couple of other things specific to this channel, and also moving some content from my main channel to this channel. However, to keep this video short after that long-assed introduction to it, the point of this video is just to say sorry for not responding to like a lot of comments on this channel. So basically, you know, people like Kevin Muldoon, Tone from Tone's Adventures, John, as in John Lensman, and a bunch of other people. And by the way, and you know, if there's anybody whose name I'm not mentioning when I say things in the videos, just ignore me because I'm a complete cunt. But basically, what's been going on is I'm like way behind on like a whole bunch of things, right? So I've literally got now at least 25 products that I've not reviewed for either Amazon or my main YouTube channel. And the problem is, I just love doing content on this channel, but I should not be doing it on this channel because I don't make money on this channel. So I'm kind of depriving myself of income when I do stuff on this channel and stuff, but I just love doing it. But the problem is that I've noticed, well, it's a problem in one way, not in another. What it is, on this channel, although I've only got like 300 subs on this channel, and my main channel has got like 20,000 subs, I get a lot more better comments on this channel, and I want to engage in the comments. I'm not one of these ones, engage with your fans and all that shit, you know what I mean? Because I don't refer to people as fans. People are just viewers, you know what I mean? All those arseholes on YouTube who, like, you know, refer to, like, you know, people as fans and stuff, they're all like sycophants, do you know what I mean? It's like the David Koresh or something, and they're just herding a bunch of like followers together. They're probably going to kill them all, I don't know. But basically, what it is with this channel, I'm proper enjoying myself, and I don't know if maybe that actually comes through on the videos more so, and which is why maybe I get more interesting comments on this channel. So what I've been trying to do is to respond to as many comments as I can. Now the thing is, I get a lot more comments obviously on my other channel, and then there's a couple of other things I've got to keep an eye on as well. However, most of the comments on my main channel are from complete dumbasses, right? I'm gonna have to do a video about that at some point as well, just to show people that once your channel does build up, right? I mean, don't get me wrong, 20,000's absolutely naff all in the global scheme of things, do you know what I mean? But nonetheless, 20,000 subs does start getting you a lot more comments. But the problem is, most of the comments are from complete dickheads, and like oh god, I can't go into that. I'll do a video about that on its own because that's a dead interesting one. In fact, if I was to show you some of the dickhead comments that I get on my main channel, you'd wonder why the fuck I even bother. Anyways, what it is for this channel, I actually said to myself in my own little fucking puny monkey brain that I was going to start trying to do like responding properly to comments on this channel, just to see, you know, if I could build things up on this channel. However, and as it happens, my main reason for wanting to respond to the comments on this channel is now not to play the YouTube game, you know, as in respond to your comments and engage your audience, which by the way, I don't refer to you people as my audience. You people are just people who go on YouTube to watch clowns do videos, or watch interesting videos, or watch cat videos. Doesn't matter, do you know what I mean? I don't see people as fans or an audience. I just see people as people, and they're just there to watch content content, and if I can create content that they get into, then that's fucking great. But nonetheless, where was I going with that? And you know what, I keep sidetracking, and I was meant to do this as a short video. However, this will be interesting to about 2 people out there. Point that I'm getting at is, actually I've just remembered, my initial goal was to basically play the fucking YouTube game, but as it happens, I actually feel like I want to respond to the comments on this channel just because there's a lot more better comments, and you know, people want to engage and like, you know, kind of like talk about useful shit and not just like repeating stuff that I've already said in the video and asking for clarification on stuff that they didn't even bother fucking watching. Do you know what I mean? I still get a bit of that on this channel. And undoubtedly, when I do videos about popular devices like GoPros and things like that, or whatever may be the in vogue thing at the time, I will still get those morons wanting to leave stupid ass comments where they're just showing their own stupidity and stuff like that within the comments. Now, for stuff like that, I'll always ignore that. Or if I've got like, you know, 5 minutes and I'm a bit bored, I might start taking the piss out of people in comments. Who knows? But generally, I've really taken to wanting to respond to the comments on this channel, only because there's fucking loads of cool people out there who watch me shit, you know what I mean? And it's like, yeah, you know, I want to fucking get into a bit of that, like, because it's great. You know, it's like it's like on Tone's channel, Tone's Adventures. Tone responds to basically every comment and stuff like that. And I looked at Tone's channel and I can see why. And that's because Tone has got like a really good engagement within his comments. And when that is the case, why wouldn't you want to respond to them? However, the big problem that I've got is time, okay? I'm already absolutely messed up for me time. So unfortunately, I've been letting things slip on this channel with regard like responding to comments. And as anyone will know who like, you know, who reads any of my comments, quite often the comments are really long, or my responses are. So the problem is I've also got to maybe cut that down and just do like, you know, 1-line answers and stuff. Although the only thing when I do that is I just feel that like I'm not like giving back what I've received. Do you know what I mean? However, I may have to do that in order to be able to answer more comments and stop going all long-winded and stuff like that with them. Anyways, that'll do for this video, because I still haven't woken up properly. I haven't had a drink or anything and I look like shite. So basically, as I say, look like shite, you're probably sitting there going, Dave, you just look the same, you shitty looking person. Anyway, what I'm going to do is fuck off now. I'm going to get myself like a coffee or something and try and wake up. Anyways, yeah, so there we go. I'm really sorry, you know, to anyone whose comments have not responded to. I'm not being a total tool about it. It really is just down to time and my inability to engage at the point where my brain's getting completely mangled by some tool asking me to do a review for something and asking, why haven't you done that review for that thing I sent you 3 months ago? And that's a big one that I get in my emails because I'm just letting people down left, right and centre. Anywho, I think everyone's got the gist of this video, and yet there'll be a few more following this up. I'll keep them shorter, really focused about particular things that I'm getting into and channel updates and stuff like that. And like I say, more importantly, moving some of the content over to this channel. Anywho, I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.